Hi guys, Alex from Manifest Like Whoa, and I wanted to make a video today to accompany the blog post that I wrote today all about scripting. If you don't know already, scripting is one of the most popular manifesting exercises, and for good reason. That's because it's quick, it's easy to do, it requires very little material or investment, and it works. So today I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what scripting is, the benefits of scripting over other manifesting exercises. I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to know to get started scripting, give you a little bit of suggestions as far as the rules to make it work best for you, and we're going to close out with a couple tips and tricks to make it work even better so you can manifest even faster. To start out, scripting is really simple and easy to do. All it is writing a letter to the universe about how you want your life to be in the future. Now, it's important to remember that you're not going to come from a place of lack and talk about how you wish you had your dream body, or you wish you had a nice car, or you wish you had a hot boyfriend or husband or girlfriend or wife. It's coming from a place of already knowing that you have it. And I believe it's called scripting because it's like writing a movie script of your life. Just think of yourself as this incredible screenplay writer. You're writing out the movie script starring you, and you get to pick and choose exactly how you want your dream life to be. So another little thing about scripting to remember is that you want to engage all of your senses. And with that, you want to be as descriptive as possible. So instead of saying, universe, I'm so happy I have a new car, you want to get all the way into it. And you want to talk about that brand new car as if it is just like all the detail, okay? You want to say, oh my gosh, I'm so grateful for my new 2020 S-Class Benz. It's all white with the leather interior. And when I get in, oh my gosh, the new car scent just fills my nostrils. And I could tell it's money. And the seats have this smooth, this creamy, it's buttery leather. And the way they fit my body, and I don't know, I'm just kind of getting carried away here, but you kind of know what I'm trying to say is that you want all the juicy details. You want to describe how it looks, how it smells when you get in your car, what the leather feels like, what that wood grain looked like, what it feels like when you're zooming down the highway with the drop top down and the wind blowing through your hair like you just came out of a Pantene commercial. I mean, you want to get really juicy and you want to get all the way in there and make it happen. One of the reasons why scripting is so beneficial is because it has the ability to elevate your mood. Now, I know that a lot of people, when you come to the law of attraction or you start wanting to manifest new things, it's easy to come from a place of lack because you wouldn't be asking the universe for something that you already have. You can't manifest from a negative vibration. You have to manifest from a place of positivity, confidence, love. Like all the high vibrations, the high vibrational frequencies are the ones that you need in order to match the energy of what you're trying to bring into your life, into your existence. So one of the benefits of scripting over other exercises is that it really engages your mind and it has the ability within itself to pull you from a lower vibration to a higher vibration, all within the one exercise. Another reason is that it's got a really low barrier to entry. Some other like law of attraction techniques, they require a lot. They require you to go out and buy stuff or to do stuff or a whole lot of extra time. Scripting is something that anyone has access to, and all you need is a pen and a paper, and like who doesn't have that? So you could even take a random piece of paper and a pen and just jot down a couple scribbles about what you want. But I recommend you at least get a notebook. Like I have tons of these little notebooks that I pick up from the dollar store and put all my little scripting exercises and other exercises in. And at the very least, you want to just pick one of those up if you can and just have all of your scripting exercises in one place so that you don't have tons of little pieces of paper all over the place. But you don't have to spend a bunch of money on this. You don't have to buy a special pen or anything like that. Like just the paper, just a notebook, and your intention is more than enough. Scripting is also unique in that it has the ability to show you what it is that you want. Now, one of the things that I say all the time is that the universe requires and rewards clarity. So if you don't know exactly what it is that you want, the universe is going to have problems bringing it to you. And so you might get conflicting answers. You might get like conflicting manifestations. So if you think you want more money, but you don't quite know why or what you intend to do with it, and you're just very vague, you might get more money, but it might come in the wrong way. It might come in like way more hours at work for a really low pay. Finally, a really good benefit of scripting that maybe not many people think about is that it has the ability to remove doubt and negativity. So I don't know about you, when I'm manifesting something really big and a really stretched goal, it's easy for your mind to, your subconscious mind, to get in the way and kind of tell you that, oh, you don't really have that. Like, you're not really 120 pounds. Like, no, But when you're scripting and you're engaging all your senses and you're kind of like making a mental movie that you can see, it becomes more real to you, and you kind of see the process that's involved in getting you from one place to the next, and you get to see what your life will be like, and that makes it real to you. And in a way, you can bypass your subconscious, your negative subconscious mind telling you that it's not real, because you made it real in your mind, and what you see in your mind, you will hold in your hand. Right now, I want to go over 4 of the main rules that you should at least be somewhat mindful of when you start scripting. First, like I said before, you need to speak in the present tense. It's not, oh, I want a new boyfriend. It's, thank you so much. I'm so happy. Me and my new boyfriend, we spend so much quality time together, and we have so much in common, and we have the same goals for the future. And I love how our relationship is developing. Think about it as like a scene from your movie, and it's not fast paced. It's not a fast paced action movie. Think about, what can you hear? What can you see? What can you taste? What can you touch? What emotions do you feel? Third, you want to focus on your feelings and not just your thoughts. It's not, I want a new job so I can pay my bills. It's, I'm so happy that I have this new amazing job and I get to do work that's fulfilling, and I'm compensated well for my skills and my talents, and I feel like I'm intellectually challenged at my job, or whatever it is that you want to come along with that. Like, what do you want it to make you feel? What can it bring to you? How can it enhance your life? And finally, it's all about gratitude, okay? You can't just write these things out without feeling a deep sense of gratitude and thanks for the manifestation, for the blessing that is coming to your life. And you're thanking in advance because you know that it's coming your way, and you're just so grateful. And the feeling of gratitude is one of the highest vibrations you can have. And it's not just gratitude for what you will have in the future, but it's also gratitude for what you have right now. And if you can maintain this level of gratitude long enough, it's like the two start blending in your mind and in your heart, and the universe can accept that signal and bring more of what you need to you. How frequently is it wise to script? Honestly, I recommend doing it every day to some degree. It's kind of like gratitude journaling almost, except it's gratitude journaling for the future and not the past. And it doesn't have to be this long drawn out process. I want you to really connect with the idea that, yeah, you can sometimes do longer rituals. And I do recommend, like, I personally will do like longer scripting with like pages and pages about once a month. But your everyday journaling, your scripting journaling every day doesn't have to be this super long drawn out process. You can just scribble a couple notes about being grateful for what's coming in your future. You can script out your day first thing in the morning. You can spend, like, as part of your Sunday ritual, preparing for the week ahead. You can script your week. You can script your month. You can script your year. You can script, for specific circumstances. Like I said, if you want to, manifest some money, you might want to script for $500 for coming to you. That's fine. So there's really no wrong way to go about scripting. You script as much as you need to, script every day if you need to, script occasionally for, a specific circumstance that you want to manifest. It's really up to you, but you cannot overdo scripting to manifest. That said, there are a couple of situations where you may want to script that you hadn't thought of yet. And just really quickly, I want to run through those suggestions. So first, when you're trying to manifest something new, I always start with scripting. Like, I know there's other exercises that you can do, like 55-5 is great. And some of the spells and rituals that I teach and share information on are great as well. But starting with scripting is the fastest, easiest way when you want something brand new to get the juices flowing, to get the visualization process going, to let the universe know, like, hey, I'm in the building and this is what I want to happen. Another time is when you're a little shaky on your goal or your desire and you're not that confident about what you want. Like you feel like you're a little iffy, or your desires might be changing, or if you see something that you requested come into your life and you've changed your mind a little bit, it's a good time to reassess like what's going on in your life and to script it out and just let your emotions flow and see where it takes you, because you might want to correct the course of what's going on. Another time to script is when your vibration is low, when you're starting to feel like maybe you've got a lot of negative energy going on, maybe you have a bit of drama in your life. Scripting is a great way in and of itself to raise your vibration. So what I like to do when I'm feeling a little crappy is I'll go take a shower and like visualize washing off all the gunk off of my body and my aura and everything. And then I'll sit down and I'll script my vibration. I will script about feeling better and the type of energy that I want to embody. And it works. Like it really works. And I encourage you to just do this anytime you start to feel a little off and like you've just got too much going on and you just need to shut all that out. Just pull out a pen and write a letter to the universe, and I promise it'll help. So I hope this scripting video helped and that you got some tips and some insight on how to get started scripting for yourself and what you might be able to manifest in your own life. If you have any questions, please do not be shy. Ask, because if you're thinking it, 50 other people are too. They're just not saying it. And don't forget to join my mailing list. I give out free, incredible law of attraction and manifesting worksheets and resources to my lovely subscribers. And the link to that is below as well. Okay? So until next time, happy manifesting.